Good day, good people. This is the Maningi Mines, King of Diamonds. I'd like to give you a walkthrough on how to purchase yourself a Maningi Mine token. It's one of the new revolutions that are taking place right now, so I'd encourage everyone. So first of all, you're going to have to type in wallet and pick a wallet of your choice. There's a lot of different types of wallets. Whichever one that you trust, you can go ahead and pick that one. I personally trust the Trust Crypto and Bitcoin wallet. So I'm going in there. Since I've already installed mine, I'm just going to have to open it then. So it'll take me to this page. But however, for a new beginner, this is what it would look like. Okay, you're going to have to create a wallet. You go through the steps, you agree to the terms and condition, and then they're going to give you your password. Right? Continue, and so forth. But anyway, let me just go back. Since I already have a wallet, I'll just use mine. Okay, so we're moving on to the next step of the process. So once you are here, you'll then be able to purchase and have a minimum, right? All right. So there is a minimum for each cryptocurrency wallet that you would have to put in, and the minimum for this one is, if you're going to be buying, so it's a minimum of 50 USD minimum to purchase. So you put in the amount of your desire, and then it will let you know the next step, which is to continue. So you press continue, let you know the amount and the ETH. It'll then send you over to the next page, which is on the internet, and that is partners.simplex.com. And once you are here to place your order. This is the billing details. You'd fill in your Visa or MasterCard details on this page, and your billing address, your email, your phone number, and your birth. Then from there you press going through the terms and condition, right? And then you'd then press pay now. Right, it's still the King of Diamonds. Having gone through all those other two processes which we've gone through, which is the downloading of the trust wallet of your choice, then from there would be then uploading or purchasing a particular cryptocurrency so that you do have some funds on your wallet. You would then have a page like this on my screen, and inside it you would then have the amount where it's written 0 ETH. You would have the amount of which you would have already purchased your fundings, and here your transactions would be visible where it says transaction will appear here. From there, then you'd want to buy, or you'd want to then get yourself onto the Maningi Mines website. So let's go there together. Okay, go to the web page, and you then type in the Maningi Mines. maningimines.com. Then go to the website. My internet is a little bit slow, so bear with me. Once you're on the website, you then go to buy tokens, and then we buy tokens. which you have 6 different choices to make. You could either buy coal token on the side, Maningi, diamond, copper, gold, and manganese. So any one of your choice. Since I'm the king of diamonds, I'd have to add diamonds. View basket. Alright, so here we do have a minimum, and which is 100 rand in South African currency, but depending on which state you are in, it is plus minus about 800 and something Maningi tokens. That is the minimum. So then once you've selected your quantity of your choice, update your basket, and then it will tell you the total amount to which you would have to pay. Then you then proceed to checkout. And then here you find all your billing details. Then you fill in your first name, last name, company name if there is a company, your country of your choice, South African. Alright, and then your province, postal code, phone number, your email address, and then over here, which is your Ethereum address. Let me show you where to find it. Let's go back to our Trust wallet. You go to Ethereum and you press copy. It would copy your address immediately, and then you put that in your Ethereum address, paste, and then there you go. And then you can just add some notes. That is just an additional. Then there's your tab, and then if you would have bought with the Bitcoin a ALT coin, then that's where you'd specify. But however, since we're using Ethereum, that's what you have to press, pay with an ETH, and then you place your order. The reason why you have to put in your Ethereum address is so that you can get the tokens to reflect on your Trust wallet or whatever wallet of your choice that you have. So that is just a brief way of walking you through. But if you have any problems whatsoever, please feel free to email, and the contact details are provided. You can visit our sites, you can visit our Facebook page at Maningi Mines. It's just the Maningi Mines, and then you'd see there. You can visit our Twitter at Maningi Mines, or you can visit our LinkedIn, Maningi Mines, and our Pinterest, and our WhatsApp as well, or you can email us. So please do give us your feedback. If you're having any difficulties, please get back to us, and we'd really like to assist you. Have a good day, and let's create jobs one coin at a time, preferably.